How's it going there, LANA Tradies who are using AroFlo as your job management system? My name is Chris, and I'm going to talk to you today a little bit how our integration with AroFlo works and how it's going to improve your operations and your process for your business. Therefore, it's going to enable you to be more successful and have more time. Now, what is it that LANA does? As you may know by now, LANA is a lead management system that is going to make it so that your leads coming from all different places, whether it's your website, Facebook, Instagram, etc., are all going into the one place. Upon doing so, LANA is going to make it so that you have a central place where to communicate with your customers via all the various channels, including SMS, phone, and email. We're going to have a place where all of your contacts are going to be listed. That way you can utilize them for messaging, for bulk marketing, or putting them in email campaigns, for example. And then we have here the opportunity board, which assesses what your customer pipeline looks like, making it so that your new leads are in one place, the people who have the quote sent to them are in one place, etc. Now, how I want you to think about how LANA operates is this. When a customer is within a stage within the pipeline, what automated messaging do I want that customer to receive? For example, Roman here is a new lead. He has visited the contact form. He has submitted his request for a free quote. He's going to appear as a new lead. Do I want Roman to get a message that is thanks him for engaging and we'll be in touch shortly? Maybe I can send him some email collateral at all as well. That is all customizable. However, for Roman, once he is qualified and you have AroFlo as your job management system, what are we going to do? We're going to make it so that Roman is dragged and dropped in send details to AroFlo. Upon doing so, let's shoot across over into our AroFlo account. Let's go into our accounts and clients, and we will see that Roman is going to have a contact he generated. So let's go across here into Roman's contact. Okay. Upon doing so, we can see a bunch of information such as his name, his short name, etc. And then from this point as well, we can also make it so that we add the address of Roman. So for example, we're going to utilize this address here. Now, something I want you to think about is this. With our contact form, we've got phone number and email address, right? However, if we had street address here as well, that information would also populate into AroFlo right here. So it's going to save you time from having to make that phone call to get that information anyways. And it keeps you guys looking professional, and it's going to make it so that tire kickers are kept to the curb. So from this point here, we've got his address, his name, his phone number. Simple as that. We're ready to make it so that Roman is a saved client of ours. And upon doing so, we can go here and create a quote for Roman. Now, here I am in the new quote section. And as you can see, this is all going to check out. Simple as that. I'm going to make it so that the quote name is going to be as such. And maybe I'm going to drag this across over here to the location as well. And upon doing so, we're going to, we'll just avoid that for the time being. We're going to go create quotes, and we're going to be in the quote worksheet. So in the same way how I said before, when a customer is in the various stages, what automated messages do I want him to receive? Well, now that the customer is within AroFlo, we're going to make it so that Roman is going to automatically, based upon the status changes we make to this client, they're automatically going to bounce across into the relevant stages. So for example, we're going to go across here and we're going to scroll down and we're going to make it so we're going to say approved, likely to go ahead, or let's go waiting on client, acceptance status, accepted, and let's save the quote. Boom, approved. If we scroll down, we can also see that we have made it so that an online quote link has been created. That's obviously going to happen through AroFlo. However, we can make it so that this quotation is sent as an attachment with the messaging to that customer. So the automated message that goes out to Roman when he is across here, and he is over here in approved and accepted, that the messaging that we send out to Roman via SMS and email includes this quote as an attachment. That is all popular. Now, what I want you to think about it is this as well. Let's say Roman is in approved and awaiting decision, or maybe he's pending approval. Well, what is your follow-up process at this point in time? Perhaps it is that you're going to call the customer after a week and see what's going on. Maybe you're going to send him a text message quickly. Well, what if LANA on customized intervals can follow up with that customer? And it's customizable when those intervals are for follow-up. So whether it is 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, etc., we can make it all happen within LANA. That's going to save you more time. And as well, we can also not only have external communication, but internal communication as well. And those follow-up messages, there's a key thing to keep in mind here. The LANA message that we send out to them via SMS is two-way. As it stands at the moment, a lot of systems out there make it so that it is only one-way messaging. So if you send me a quote, I can't immediately respond to that SMS. I would have to call you or contact you via the website or something of that sort. Having the two-way message is going to massively improve the communication strategy between you and your customers. So furthermore, as we can see, Roman has gone across here, and as simple as that. I have not had to lift a finger, and Roman has been attributed over here in the approved section. So as you can imagine, once Roman books the job, and that job's in progress, and then that job gets complete, the same thing is going to happen. Roman's going to automatically bounce across there and receive the automated message sequence as per your design. That is going to make it so that you are going to have automated communication with your customer that saves you a hell of a lot of time. You're going to enhance your use of AroFlo because we're going to have this automated messaging sequence that is all customizable, all built for you within our account. And that is going to make it so that your operational process is going to drastically improve. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope this gives you a little bit of an insight into what LANA can accomplish with our AroFlo integration. So to recap, the details are sent to AroFlo. AroFlo creates a client. Once you're within the client space, you then generate a quote and you then book the job accordingly. LANA is going to make it so that you are going to see where all your customers are, how much money you're sitting on at any given time, which is going to drastically improve your business. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Chris, the LANA Client Success Manager, and I hope that you've got a bit of a better idea as to how it is we operate. Thank you so much.